In 2025, drones are no longer just tools of surveillance. They become the backbone of modern air warfare. These unmanned aerial systems are revolutionizing the battlefield with unmatched precision, adaptability, and cost-effectiveness. But how did we get here, and what makes drones the game changer of this era? Modern drones excel in versatility. They perform diverse missions, from intelligence gathering and reconnaissance to delivering precision airstrikes. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors, AI systems, and advanced weaponry, drones operate in environments that would be too dangerous for human pilots. In fact, some can stay airborne for days, providing real-time data and 24/7 surveillance. One of the most significant advancements is the rise of autonomous drones. These systems can analyze targets, adapt to dynamic battlefield conditions, and even operate in coordinated swarms. Swarm technology enables dozens or even hundreds of drones to work together, overwhelming enemy defenses and delivering strikes with unparalleled efficiency. Drones also offer a cost advantage. Traditional fighter jets require extensive training, maintenance, and human resources. By contrast, drones are cheaper to produce and deploy, making them accessible to militaries worldwide. This accessibility has leveled the playing field, allowing smaller nations to compete with global powers in the aerial domain. However, the rise of drones also raises concerns. Cybersecurity threats loom large, as adversaries could hack or disrupt these systems. Ethical questions about autonomous weapons also spark debate over their use in combat. Despite these challenges, drones are reshaping the future of warfare. From combat zones to humanitarian missions, their impact is undeniable. As technology evolves, drones will continue to dominate the skies, transforming how wars are fought and redefining the concept of air power in the 21st century. The future of air warfare isn't just piloted, it's programmed.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.